Okay, this is microphone test. It's pretty windy out, so this is a pretty good test of the wind reduction system of the mic. This is a DJI mic system with a single transmitter. So we're just trying this out and see how this works. I'm walking outside in the backyard, talking at a medium volume, typical medium volume. The transmitter and the receiver are both set at 0 decibels, no gain. Just flat out, no other settings have been adjusted from taking the thing out of the box. Also have a manual cardboard setup to try to keep the transmitter or the receiver out of line of sight. We'll see if that works. I'm just using this until my official mount comes in the mail. Stop recording.